Hi there, this is Cem Kapancıoğlu. Today I'm going to talk about natural materials and its effects on design and construction. I want to give the basics of this subject because most of the time we have problems when we are supplying natural materials, and there are a lot of coordination issues, procurement issues that occurs because of lack of knowledge. The main thing that needs to be considered about natural materials is they are inconsistent, they cannot be always provided, they have inconsistent within their looks, they have certain size, they have wastage and different kind of wastages depending on their use, and this is from the beginning or even in the concept stage, if not later, this has to be addressed, and it will be the first thing that should be procured to avoid any delays in any kind of project. I'll give you a couple of examples, and I'm gonna end this section in a very simple way. For example, you are doing a certain stone cladding. You need to know the materials, the standard size from the supplier, slab by slab, and accordingly you need to know the strength of the material so you can consider what size you can actually cut that slab, how much wastage is going to give, is it prone to breaking, and if it's going to be breaking, by how much additional wastage you need to add. You need to know the consistencies within that marble so that you can actually know how you're going to cut that marble. Is it going to be book match, is it continuous veins or randomly, accordingly how much you need to add on the wastage. This is one of them. Second one could be again a veneer cladding. If you're going to do veneer cladding in certain way, you have to make sure that you buy the wastage accordingly. In one of the projects that we have done, for example, we buy almost 5 times more than what net required of veneer due to the inconsistencies in the colors and patterns of the veneer itself, due to the selection that's been done. Many times this kind of surprises comes up if you're not aware of these things and you are not careful with the natural materials in the beginning of a design and construction. So I highly recommend know the material, talk to the material supplier, and understand everything about the material. Then you use it in your designs and do the procurement. Thank you.